Hello, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Rohit Singh. This is my code for the given assignment 1. First, I have stopped the watchdog timer. Then I have disabled the high impedance mode. After that, I have initialized an integer switch count, which will store the data for number of times the switch is pressed. After that, I have set the output direction for port 1, bit 1. And after that, I have set the direction of input for port 2 bit 3. Then I have enabled the input port 2 register and set it in the pull-up mode. After that, I have created a while loop, which is always true. Inside the while loop, I have given an if statement, which will check if the switch is pressed or not. If the switch is pressed, this P2IN will be 0, 0, and with bit 3 will give 0 and negation of it will become 1, and this if statement will get satisfied and our code will move to the next line where I have given a delay of 1 second. After 1 second of delay, the switch count will increase by 1. Now again one more if statement is given to check if the switch count is 6. If it is 6, then it will go inside the loop. If it is not, then it will move to the next if statement. Since the switch is pressed only one time, this if statement will not satisfied, and this if statement is also not satisfied. Now again, our program will come here, and if it will wait for me to press the switch again. Now if I will press the switch one more time, the after 1 second delay, the switch count will be increased by 1, it will become 2. Now again, this if statement will not be satisfied, and also this is if statement is also not satisfied, then again it will come here, and again it will wait for me to press the switch one more time. If I press the switch 5 times, after 5 times this switch count will become 5. Now again this if statement will not be satisfied, so the code will come here. Now switch count is 5, so this if statement will become true, our program will come here, and the port 1 LED will blow. Port 1 bit 1 LED, that is green LED, will blow in our launchpad. Now again if I will press one more time, then this switch count will become 6, and this if statement will get satisfied, and our code will come here, and it will turn off the LED, and it will also initialize the switch count as 0, so that we can repeat the experiment so many number of times. Now I will build my program. Build is finished without any error. Now I will debug it. Debug is also completed without any error. Now I will run it, and I will show it in my launch pad by pressing the switch. Now I will press my switch 5 times with 1 second of delay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see the green LED is glowing, and if I will press the button 6 times, it will turn off. 6, and green LED is turned off. Now I will repeat it by pressing the switch 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, the green LED is glowing. Now I will press it one more time. 6. The LED is turned off. Thank you, sir.